going to be doing, well, brushing and clipping my dog. And we can't wash him at the moment because we need to flea them. So yeah, so we're just going to give him a clip. So you ready, Mother? It's my dog, Do. He is a poodle cross Bichon Frise cross Jack Russell. So, let's get started. So firstly I'm going to start off with this brush just to brush him out.
Barusika chupa supa no chichi. Chura shuka yataru kajaku. Barusika chupa supa topopo.
Areñoy, panchorey, pepeños. Dochorey, manchorey, canchorey. Chos, chestirano, chos, chestirano, molteñores, porteños. Temporena, porcho.
This is what I use to groom him, and it's quite good, and it's got all that in it. And yeah, I'll show you what it has in it. So all this, it comes with this brush and that hair cleaner off the dog, and it comes with 2 clippers, nail file, a little brush to get all the hair out the clippers, nail thing, I'm not sure what's that for, nail clippers, and yeah, so that's what it comes with. I'm going to use this brush to start, just to go over it once more to make sure that his fur's all right, and I'm going to go over him with it when he's finished. Them two, and I need to clean that brush out. So I'll just get the clippers ready and we'll be back. I'm using the red blade because it doesn't take off too much hair for him and it's just right. And yeah, we're going to start. Now finished cutting Dude, I'm just going to give him a brush down and then I'm done. And that's me. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe and comment if you want more of this little man in the videos.